Betrayal, the wound that doesn't bleed on the skin but deep within the soul. You gave your trust, your time, your heart, and they shattered it like fragile glass. In that silent aftermath, a single question echoes: how do I survive this? 2,000 years ago, the Stoics faced the same storms of human treachery, lovers who strayed, friends who lied, allies who turned to enemies, yet they didn't drown in bitterness. They learned how to stand still when the ground beneath them crumbled. Today we'll enter their world and uncover how an ancient Stoic would face betrayal and emerge, not bitter, but unbreakable. The first strike of betrayal is not their action. It is our refusal to believe it. We cling to the image we built of them, faithful, honest, loyal. When that image collapses, our pain multiplies because we fight the truth. A Stoic would say, do not fight reality, expose it. Marcus Aurelius wrote, if you are pained by any external thing, it is not this thing that disturbs you, but your judgment about it. The fact they betrayed you. The story that you are worthless because of it. That is the lie. Pain begins to heal the moment you stop lying to yourself. Acceptance does not mean approval. It means seeing the wound clearly, without illusions, without excuses, because only what is seen can be healed. The Stoics divided the world into two parts: what is in your control and what is not. Betrayal lives firmly in the second. Their choices, their morals, their actions, they belong to them. What belongs to you? Your response. Epictetus said, you may fetter my leg, but my will, not even Zeus himself can overpower. Your will is the fortress. Do not let betrayal burn it down. Do not let someone's weakness rewrite your strength. Every sleepless night spent replaying their lies, every message left unread in anger. It is you giving them the keys to your inner kingdom. Stop. Reclaim it. The darkest consequence of betrayal is not the act itself, but what it awakens in you. Hatred, vengeance, the desire to hurt as you were hurt. Seneca warned, the greatest revenge is not to be like your enemy. You may think revenge will heal you. It will not. It will forge another chain around your soul. Because to betray in return is to agree with the betrayer. That deception is the only language left. A Stoic stays clean in a dirty world, not because they are naive, but because they choose to remain their own master. Pain is a brutal sculptor. It carves without asking permission. But if you resist it, you stay shapeless, broken in protest. If you accept it, you are remade, stronger, sharper, colder, if necessary. The Stoic practice of amor fati means to love your fate, not to enjoy suffering, but to use it. Ask yourself, what has this betrayal taught me? Who showed their true nature? What illusions have burned away? Perhaps you have learned the weight of your trust. And who is worthy to carry it? Perhaps you now see the world as it is, not as you wished it to be. That is not loss, that is clarity. Bought at a high price, yes, but clarity nonetheless. One of the most destructive urges after betrayal is to hold on, to keep the rope tied, even when it cuts your hands. You scroll through their life, you ask questions, you rehearse arguments in your head. The Stoic would ask, why do you keep drinking the poison? Sever the rope, block them if you must, walk away if you must, but do it not in rage, in strength. You do not close the door to hurt them, you close it to save yourself. The past is already dead. To dig it up is to keep living among ghosts. A Stoic focuses on the present moment, the only ground that truly exists. Marcus Aurelius wrote, do not act as if you are going to live 10,000 years. Death hangs over you. While you live, while it is in your power, be good. You are alive today. Your future is not built by staring into ruins, but by walking away from them. Betrayal does not define you. It exposes them, and it challenges you. Will you become bitter, or will you become bulletproof? A Stoic does not avoid pain. They master it, and when they walk away, they carry something the betrayer never will: peace. If this message reaches you in the dark, remember, darkness does not last. Wisdom does. Subscribe, and let's walk the Stoic path together, one scar at a time.